You know, I'm a big Bubba truck guy, and Mr. King from DeKalb Pipeline has a smoke quartz beauty right here, Bubba truck style, and his trade-in is so fire too. Let's go. Great repeat customers here at Akins and Willies in Winder, Georgia. I have a story to tell you that I should have waited until I was going to review this truck because I had a broke tooth, y'all. It would have been, hey, it would have been the perfect Bubba video if Real Deal had a broke tooth. So y'all, on a family vacation, 4th of July, I fall in the bathroom, bust my lip, break my tooth off. So unfortunate. But 3 days later, I hit a hole-in-one on a par 3. So I did 2 things within 3 days that were not cool and unbelievable, very low percentage. But both these trucks have distinct variations that I can't wait to show you. Let's get after it. A quick tease of the new, the Bubba truck, looking amazing. But here is the trade-in. It's a low mileage trade-in. I'm talking less than 1,000 miles, y'all. 2022 Ford F-150 King Ranch Bad Boy Covert edition style. So like the custom paintwork out back, a different variation, just doing the applique body color with leaving the inlay, a slightly different variation to make it the King Ranch and the logo stand out. Very bold, keeping it classy with the blue in the emblem, not doing tail lights, and doing level kit setup with a nice wheel and tire option. That DDT finish in that fuel vapor wheel flows nicely with the stone gray accent on the lower portion of the King Ranch models and layers, etc. But let me know what you think about how this truck looks. Covert edition style, leveled on 35s. I love it. Minimal paint work, just the applique out back and the side badge is all it really needs to keeping it clean and classy with this Covert edition. So side badge, from that brushed aluminum chrome look to body color, and just have a nice little detail of reducing some of that side chrome or silver that we just think needs to be toned down a little bit. Still got the stone gray up front in that signature King Ranch grill, which I think looks amazing. It's essentially a platinum grill with some slight variation as far as that middle bar being the stone gray, and then your dimples inside the grill being the stone gray as well. On the platinum models, that is actually chrome and chrome there, a brushed aluminum across the middle there. So King Ranch, slight variation, but a nice one. 35, 11.5, 20, Nitto Recon, all-terrain tire, a new tire from Nitto that is an all-terrain. It looks more aggressive than the old school Terra Grappler, which is amazing in itself, but still posted to have good overall mileage and ride quality, which it does. I've put enough miles on this tire to tell you it is a legit option. More aggressive on that sidewall, and again, the fuel vapor wheel with that DDT and black finish really flows nicely with the stone gray. Did the Elka level kit up front, which is fully adjustable, and we feel that 2.5 inch mark, 2.25 is perfect. SPC performance uppers, just a legit build here, looking nice, y'all. Interior of the King Ranch to me is really what is the separator. So you got the nice, this is the cattle luxury or country luxury versus the platinum city luxury, and I just think it has a nice balance and flow to it that is a refresh as far as not being your typical expected black interior. Let me know what you think about this legit King Ranch interior. Those little subtle details of that brushed on the side there, even on the steering wheel with the King Ranch located there. Details you notice more and more as the more you look at this truck. King Ranch logos everywhere. On the side here, that is amazing too. Still fake wood, but nonetheless, I love the wood look. Just a classic, what I grew up admiring and knowing as far as just a good old country luxury truck. Now out back did Elka shocks as well, and a block swap to get us a little bit more height, because if you just go too tall at the 2.5 inch mark, you could appear to be front side heavy. So a little bit taller block in the rear to help supplement that with a different shock combo is going to make sure this Covert is so legit. And now to the feature presentation, a smoke quartz Bubba truck, y'all. You know what the Bubba truck's all about? It's about the stocks on the lift, y'all. So if you ever hear me say Bubba truck and you're just checking the channel out, make sure to smash that subscribe button, because Real Deal gets it to you real, everything auto in one place right here for your source. Akins and Willies and Real Deal got it covered, y'all. The Bubba truck is some sort of lift or level with a oversized wheel and tire combo, but a stock wheel is got to stand it apart. That's the separator. A stock wheel, which we have a special one here. Smoke quartz, let's start with the color. It's such an underrated color. It's that bluish silver hue to it that looks amazing to me. It's kind of in that middle ground of being just distinctly different. Let me know what you think about the smoke quartz. To me, especially on this new platinum black appearance package, it looks incredible. We've done several of these variations with chrome and smoke quartz, which is classy as well. But to me, this hits like a Covert that I would drive. I love the black accents with the smoke quartz, with all the amenities that you could ask for, and the Bubba truck just is screaming to me right now. So look at the mild to wild scale on here with a 0 offset on the fuel vapor. It's essentially right there in that same money setup to me of sticking out ever so slightly, about a ½ an inch to an inch, but gives you some good balance right there. And a trimmer wheel that looks really good in this setup, with the platinum having that brushed aluminum accents throughout on the new black appearance package. I think this is a winner right here. Again, same tire choice, the Nitto Recon Grappler all-terrain, but this time in 295 65/20. So we are slightly bigger even than this one here. So it's going to take a minute for this. So 35 11.5/20 is like a 34.68 by 11.5, where over here at 295 65, we run 295 60 quite often, which is a 34. But the 295 65 means this is slightly over a 35-inch tall tire, and a little bit more than 11.5 wide. So this is slightly taller setup than we have right there on that one. Notated that. It's a minute amount of difference, but that's what we're all about, those minute differences that make the difference. Lift-wise, we did the same Elka suspension up front, coilover kit, adjusted it up to 3 inches, came back and said we need to go back down because we're having trouble with our sensors getting all calibrated. So found a sweet spot, sitting very similar to that truck with Cognito uppers on here, which is a legit application and choice there. On the back of the smoke quartz, again, a taller block out back to accommodate and get us sitting up more nice and level and true. And a side note on the Elka, I've used Elka suspension components on a lot of foilers. Put it on Brady's foiler in the past, had it on my own 450s as well. Elka is a proven, trusted name in the suspension components overall, but especially suspension systems, coilovers, etc. So if you haven't seen us use Elka much, that's our bad. We need to expand our resources, use more Icon, use more Elka, etc. Just giving you more variations and more ways to customize your vehicle. So many great amenities in this truck, and I think he just didn't like the two-tone, y'all. If you're just wondering, I think he got tired of that two-tone, wanted to change it up a little bit. We threw his Pace Edwards bed cover from that truck to this one, and you know, they've taken away our paint work. They're taking away Austin's paint work by doing their own package, but not hating on that whatsoever. Able to turn this truck in a quick turnaround time for him. And Power Boost engine, let me know what you think about Power Boost. Do you know much about the Power Boost as far as having the hybrid motor encased in a transmission along with a 3.5 liter? I've been very impressed with it. Window sticker for reference on this one, just if you want more information on the parts we used here, or want to inquire about ordering one of these trucks as well. EcoBoost engine here, Power Boost engine on his trade-in. Let me go get you the stock number on this one. Stock number on the White King Ranch. Again, I love both of these trucks, y'all. They look amazing. This one's going to be available, so come scoop it up. But just notate the difference in slightly the blackout package. You get in the inlay here, instead of being chrome, it's now black. Of course, the applique being black already, and love that trimmer style, limited style dual exhaust out the back that comes with this package. Now you order that black appearance package on the platinum, you get the duals out back, y'all. I love that. Got that new trimmer style grill up front too, in all black on the black appearance package platinum, as well as the functional heat extractors up top. And on the inside, you can it even comes with the door handles already, smoke quartz. Inside, this usually has that terracotta accent through there, and that's even a chromish brush. So doing all black on all your interior components really just subdues and tones down everything black, even on the Ford up there. Very similar as far as overall creature comforts and functionality between blind spot monitor, adaptive cruise control, and more. Just different vibe, different variation, more black and gray going on in this beautiful truck. I mean, it's a win-win. There's no wrong answer between this beauty here and this beauty here. It's just a personal preference deal. This is, I guess, I don't know which one Real Deal would choose, because both of these hit differently. Both are amazing. I guess I would go smoke Quartz, but I've never had a King Ranch before, so I don't know, y'all. Let me know in the comments which one you would pick. And both these Coverts are money. They are both leveled on 35s, and we got Bubba truck style here. So we got stocks, we got aftermarket, Bubba and non-Bubba, but both Coverts. And the King Ranch is now available. It's running through service here in the next couple of days, so stay tuned for more on this one here. But on a side note, right here behind me, it made his whole life with this particular owner, not throwing shade on any owner, but again, a Hellcat with these on here, to be removed by dealer. That's what it says on there, y'all. Even at the beach, I bet I saw a dozen of these good looking muscle cars with that on there still. Mopar guys, you're cutting yourself no slack by doing stuff like that. That's what I mean, come on, take that off. Sucker's bad. Another great customer. Thanks so much. I was able to meet him when he traded this one in initially. Much love to you, Mr. King. Can't wait to see you today. And awesome for referring him up here, taking care of all the paint needs. Got it going on. Just see the little nuggets everywhere I go here, y'all. F-150 XLT with the Raptor wheels, exhaust, Roush performance pack. This was a lot vehicle back in the day that we love this truck. Show you how Akins is always innovating and doing things to benefit the dealership and you great customers. It's on the Akins lit up sign right here at the delivery pad. And Chad Ham took care of Mr. King for the entire build process here, and Chad does a great job for us. And we are located, there we are, on our showroom there, which is going to be reconstructed soon, y'all, so stay tuned for more on that. We're about to go up another level, but there's the Akins dealership right there. I'm healing up, got my tooth fixed, y'all. Thanks for listening to that story. And I should have left it gimped up for the Bubba video, but maybe for the next round, maybe I'll have better luck next time. But thanks again, hit that subscribe button, and peace out, y'all. We will catch you tomorrow.